Hello racers, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the RCMaker weighted tweak wheel set for 1/12 scale Pancars. Now I recently got into Pancars and I was looking for a tool to help me set the tweak on the Pancar. And what tweak means is when one wheel is weighted more than another wheel in the front or in the back. And in 1/12 it causes handling problems, like maybe it'll spin out in one corner while pushing in another. So if you see those kind of symptoms, then your car has tweak. So I was looking for a set to help me with that problem, and RCMaker makes a little kit to help you. So what the kit is on the back of the car. You can see that these little carbon fiber triangles that bolt right into the wheel, where the wheel would be. And you bolt them in on both sides. And what that does is gives you a fixed ride height in the rear for your test. So sometimes your car can be tweaked with different wheel sizes. Say a tire wears down a bit more in one corner than another. So this takes the wheel size out of the equation in the rear. And in the front, I'll just take one off and we'll take a look. They give you these little half moon shaped wheels that bolt into your wheel on your wheel axle, and it has a brass weight on one side, and what it does is when you pick the corner up, it'll tip down to show you which side is. This is a version of the coin trick. I'll just show you how to put it on. So they want you to have a shim close to the steering block. You put on the wheel, the half wheel carbon fiber piece there. They supply you a little RCMaker spacer. And I have a little thumb screw, but the kit doesn't come with a thumb screw. And you just put it on so it can just tight enough that it can easily move. You can see it's easily moving. You set the car level, give it a bit of a tweak, push it down, get the suspension at rest, and what you do is you move the little brass pieces up level, both sides, and then using a screwdriver or a knife or something, you pick the front of the car up by the center. And I'm just going to pick it up by a corner just to show you what happens. So if you pick it up by the center, and you can see one tire, this tire here moved first. So whichever tire moves first, on the opposite corner, you would tighten the tweak screw or the little side spring tighten by a 1/16, and on the opposite corner, or so opposite you tighten, on the same side you would loosen by the same 1/16 turn. And then you reset and test again, and this time I'll pull it up by the center. And you can see both sides moved at the same time. You can give it a little bit of a... You can see that this side here moved a little bit quicker that time. So opposite corner, you would tighten by a 1/16. Same side you would loosen by a 1/16. Reset the suspension and try it again. So in this case, this little tool is really good for setting your tweak on the bench and on race day, and takes the size of your tires out of the equation. In case a tire gets worn down, that would throw off the tweak a bit. So this takes it out. Make sure that the car's base set is not tweaked, and then you can set it, and then your handling will improve, as it will steer the same on both sides. So that is the RCMaker Carbon HD weighted tweak wheel set for 1/12. I also forgot to mention, you buy this kit. There are two kits available. One for the standard 1/8 scale or 1/8 size axles, and then the newer Automatics use a different size bearing, and there's a a separate kit for that, for the bearings in the front. So that was the quick video. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of thing, click like. If you have some other things that you'd like to see reviewed, just put that in the comments below, and subscribe if you want to see more of these types of reviews. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.